There are many options available for positioning internal walls. Snapping to existing points on external walls is straightforward, but perhaps the key to completing layouts easily is how to position walls at specified distances from other positions. Let's add some internal walls to see how it can be done. We will use a block wall for this example. First, let's add a wall from the internal corner, highlighted, straight up to the external rear wall. We can snap to the end point here and then the perpendicular point on the back wall. Press Escape here to end the wall. Now we can reselect the wall command and keep the same settings. Our second wall is going to be positioned exactly 2 meters along the wall from the internal corner highlighted. We'll do this by positioning over the internal endpoint and pressing the R key. This means we want to define a position relative to that point. As we move the cursor, we can see the X and Y dynamic dimensions attached from that point to the cursor. Now we could use the dynamic dimensions to define the position. However, in this case we can override these by pressing the left arrow key, as left is the direction we want from the corner. In the distance box we simply type 2000 and press enter or click OK. Easy, wasn't it? The other wall end is at the perpendicular point on the back wall. Currently we are in the XY mode, so press F7 to switch to snap mode. Now snap to the perpendicular point and press Escape. Let's use the same method to define the next 2 walls. Select the wall command and once again keep the same settings. Now we will position over the top left internal endpoint and press the R key. The new wall position is 2500 down from this corner, so we press the down arrow key and type that value into the distance box and then press enter. The other wall end is at the perpendicular point immediately to the right, so we press F7 to switch to snap mode again and snap to the perpendicular point. Press Escape to end the command. The final wall end is 1500 down from the highlighted corner. So we can follow the same procedure. Select the wall command and keep the settings. Position over the point and press R. Press the down arrow key and type 1500 into the distance box, followed by enter. The other wall end is at the perpendicular point immediately to the right. So we press F7 to switch to snap mode again and snap to the perpendicular point. Press Escape to end the command.